Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, before we get started, if you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, promote my channel, and YouTube will put it out there more if you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. So today, we got a new TV for the living room or the dining room area, and we're going to do a wall mount. I just wanted to open this up and see what's in it. If you guys want to hang out with me and see what's in it with me. Let's just see. It's got a little booklet here. Tells supposedly how to do it, how to hang it up. It's got a little information card and a number to call if you need help. It's got a bigger book that shows the mount. And well, this is a sheet. This is not a book. This is a big old sheet. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So this is just like I've got on my 65-inch. We're going to see how that works. Just a second. I think I know how it works. But so it comes with all the screws that you need. Comes with everything you need as far as screws go. Oh, look at that. It comes with a little level and some straps for your cord management. Oh, look at that. It comes with some more screws and even a wrench, and an Allen wrench. Let's see. These are the 4 arms that go on the edges of it, and you bolt this onto the TV. Here's another part. Let's see. So that goes up like that because it's got an arrow right there pointing up. It's got a little hook there that you bolt this on the back of the TV with these. Yeah, somehow or another. Ought to go this way. Yep, 4 of those on there. Bolt it onto the TV, and then it hooks onto the wall mount. I was wondering how I was going to do that by myself. And here is the main part. So yeah, I've got one like this already on my other TV. And this is, you got to find a stud. You got to line this up with a stud and put 1, 2, 3 bolts in it. And then this one, it just hangs out there. And once you get this mounted to the TV, you just take and, I had it upside down. It goes this way. So this does not go up. This goes down. And then you got 2 screws here on the bottom right here. And you take those out and they go in there. So that hangs over like that. Hangs over like that. And then the 2 screws go in the back to hold it up after you get it all in. Just wanted to show you that. Next, I'm going to go in and actually hang the TV up. So hopefully I can get the camera going in there and show you how it all goes.
It's just a commercial.
So the first thing you want to do is find the stud here. And then line this up and drill your 3 holes where your bolts are going to go. And this has to go on the wall first. You got that, Jacoby?
Yeah, that's good. That's good on the table.
And it has these 3 bolts, big bolts.
Big bolts.
Big bolts.
Yeah. Why you have big seeds? Why you have?
And we'll just start with the first one. Just to hold it up. Because I might have to get a different wrench, a socket, and all that kind of stuff to get it going. Okay, I just got that started just to hold it for now. Put the bottom one in. So now if my battery's not dead, this is a 10 millimeter socket.
Why me get out of the way?
Okay, so that's good. That part's done. What? Was that too loud?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll quit for now. Okay, now I'm going to assemble this mounting bracket that goes on the back of the TV. I'll bring you over here closer so you can see.
The chair can see better.
So the first thing I got to do is get the bolts that go in here and bolt these together. Get them ready. Now I've got these 4 bolts and nuts in that holds these arms. So it lines up with these holes here, which is pretty good. Lines up like it's supposed to. And then I'm going to take these screws out because we'll use them later. The screws and bolts that go in here are the D and C for that. You'll find that in your instructions, D and C. The bolts that go in these holes on this particular VESA TV, they're the MC bolts, or screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. And let's see, do I need to use a washer? So I'm going to use the M1s washers. And I'm going to put it behind, between the TV and the bracket, like that. Between the TV and the bracket, that's where the washer's going to go. You getting all this, Molly? Now you got everything lined up, everything's good. I gotta tighten them up. So that's that. Now it's all ready to go. We're gonna put it up on the wall in just a minute. Now let's see how easy this is. Alright, well that's the way you do it. That's the wall mount for the TV. I hope it was helpful to you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, have a great day.
There's nothing in